Good morning, students of class 5. Today we will do science chapter 1, the parts of a plant. Reproduction in plants. Class 5 science, reproduction in plants. There are 4 points. Let me tell you in short about the 4 points. First, reproduction. What is called a reproduction? Reproduction is a process of producing more of its kind. Reproduction is a process of producing more of its kind, whether plants or animals. They produce their own kind. That is called reproduction. Plant also reproduces like human beings because they are living things. That is one of the feature of a living thing. So, living thing reproduce. Number 2, plants reproduce by various parts and various such as seeds, spores and plant parts. So, plants they reproduce through various methods. The first one is producing seeds, and from seeds again a new plant. Second, spores. Some of the plants they do not bear flowers and seeds, they have spores. Spore means dust like powdery substance. And some plants reproduce by their plant parts such as stem, roots, leaves and so on. So plants reproduce by seeds, spores and plant parts. We'll learn about that. Number 3, first we'll learn about how they reproduce by seeds. Then we'll talk about the spore and the plant parts. First we'll talk about seeds. We know that most of the plants they produce flowers. They bear flowers. And from flowers the fruit comes up. As the time passes, the fruit comes up. And inside the fruit there is a seed. And inside the seed there is a baby plant. Plants bear flowers, and from flowers flower changes into fruits, and from fruits inside the fruit there is a seed, and inside the seed there is a baby plant, and from the seed a new plant again grows. This is one method of reproducing their own kind. Now here I have drawn a picture of a flower. It is there in your book also. You can learn that from the book, the names and the parts. So let's look at now parts of a plant. A flower, not plants, parts of a flower. A flower has various parts. You can look at that. Mainly there are 4 parts. There are 4 parts. Sepal, petals, stamens, stigma. Sepal. This is the sepal. When the flower has not bloomed, it is a bud. Before opening the flower, it is covered by a green leaf. That is called a sepal. When the flower opens or blooms, the sepal bends down. It opens. The sepal covers the flower when it is in a bud situation, when it is bud. Petals. Petals are these are petals. They are the colored leaf that attracts insects. So that is called a petal. Now we have stamens. Stamens are these. Stamens, that is an anther, male part of a flower. A flower has male and female part inside. The stamen, the long filament. This long filament is called the stamens, and on top there is an anther that produces yellow substance that is called pollen grains. That is a male part. stamens and stigma. This is a stigma, a female portion. It's a long tube-like structure having a hollow pipe inside. So the pollen grains falls when the insect or the bees sits on the flower. The pollen grains from the anther falls into the stigma, and from stigma it gets inside and reaches the ovary. This portion is called ovule. It has got an embryo, and when the anther, the male pollen grain, falls into the ovule and reaches the egg, then the embryo is born. So now this whole portion is called, the female part is called the ovary, and the lower portion, the flower which is joined to the stem of a plant, that is called peduncle. So this is the parts of a flower, and when the flower blooms and it withers, a fruit is born because it has got a male and a female part inside. So the male part is the anther, is the top portion. This is a stamen. This is a filament-like substance, that is called a filament. And this middle portion, a long tube-like structure with a jar at the bottom, that is the female part, that is called ovary. And this inside portion is called an ovule, where embryo lies. And this ovule will change into a fruit. So this much for today. Now we'll meet in the next class and we'll talk about the spores and how plant parts, how it reproduces. So this much for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much for watching the classes and learn at home.